Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex from Techrific back again with another video. I know it's been about a good 2 weeks I've been off of YouTube, but I've been working on something really special that I'll be dropping Friday, October 1st, 2021, so this Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you guys will actually be able to participate in it, so make sure to stay tuned. But nonetheless, I'm super excited to be back on YouTube. I'll be dropping back-to-back bangers, and I'm actually starting a new series called Introduction to Zoom to get you all around Zoom and teach you everything about Zoom so you can be a great Zoom participant and Zoom host. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get right into this thing. So I'm sure you guys have all heard about Zoom video conferencing, a reliable video platform that powers all of your communication needs in one. And today I'll be teaching you how to create an account and download it on your computer to get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is head over to our preferred web browser. I'll use our trusty Microsoft Edge. No promotion intended, but hey, Microsoft, if ever you'd like to work together, make sure to let me know. And in our search bar, we're gonna head over to zoom.us. You can write that, and then we're gonna hit enter. Once it opens up, we're just gonna click sign up free here in orange, and then we can enter our birth date. Pretty easy. I think we all know our birth date, and then we can click continue, and then here we can add our email address that we'd like to use our Zoom account with. So I'll just enter my email address right over here, and then now we're gonna get an activation email sent to our inbox, so we can just head over to our email and open up that activation email and then click activate account. And then we're going to be brought to this page. We can enter our first, last name and our desired password. Once all of this is entered, we can just click continue. If you have any employees or colleagues you'd like to add to your Zoom account, you can invite them by adding their email address, but if not, you can just hit skip this step. And bam, we're done. We're just gonna hit go to my account. And I'm going to be making more videos about all your Zoom settings in the future, but for now we're just going to ignore this, open a new tab, and look for download Zoom. Now what this will do is install the Zoom app on your computer. We can just hit the first link that pops up, the Zoom Download Center. If you just click the download button in blue, that's going to download the compatible one for your computer. So we're just going to let that download on the top right here. And once it's finished, we can just click open file. And then it'll be installing. So we're going to let that install. And then we're going to be brought to this page. We're just going to head over to sign in since you guys already created an account. We're going to enter our email, and then we can enter our password and then sign us in. There we have it. And it's that simple. You just created your own Zoom account and your own Zoom app on your computer. You just downloaded it, and it's that simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are going to be more videos to come on how to join a Zoom meeting, how to host one, change a few settings, and lots more, even some webinar tips. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends and family or people you think this may be helpful, and subscribe with notifications on, and comment down below if you have any questions. So this is Alex from Techrific, and I'm signing off.